When he became religious again, sort
He
of
did
say
never
it.
became religious again.
Well, he became theistic or deistic. Well, let me tell you what he
Okay.
used to say.
All right,
What was
okay.
the issue? He would say to me, he'd say, David, he'd come to the view that der Welt is nicht hefke.
Oh, right, that's
Der
correct.
Welt
He
is
said
nicht
that,
hefke.
right.
There is a purpose there somewhere. And something or other somehow is sort of guiding that purpose. It's nicht hefke. So I would say, how do you know? And he says he could feel it. It can't be. Okay. And then the other thing we talked about was death. I quote this in my book at the very end. He would say, because when he had his first heart attack, and I came to see him at the hospital out near Judy, and he looked at my ashen face. He was 74 at that time, so this would have been 1969. Drove out there, and he looked at my ashen face, and he said, comforted me by saying, "Als ich bin da, David, ist der Tod nicht da. Und als der Tod ist da, bin ich nicht da." And I've sort of been using that in my own mind, really. It is a kind of a comfort to know that, you know, believing as I do that there is no afterlife, that this is it, you have a one-way ticket. It's nice to know that when the ticket expires, nothing happens. It's just not there anymore. You're back to where you were, as I see it, before you started. And that's kind of comforting.